Tired of cosmetic boxes that don't reflect your brand's quality? Upgrade to custom-designed cosmetic boxes that captivate at first glance. We offer all custom sizes and shapes, from compact to grand, ensuring a perfect fit for your products. Choose your ideal paper stock: eco-friendly craft, e-flute corrugated, bucksboard, or cardstock, 10 points to 28 points, 60 pounds to 400 pounds. Make your boxes pop with CMYK, PMS, or a minimalist no-print design. Add gloss, matte, or spot UV coating for the perfect finish. Options include custom window cutout, gold/silver foiling, embossing, raised ink, PVC sheet. Let your imagination run wild. From 100 to 500,000 units, no order is too big or too small. Get a flat view, 3D mock-up, or a free sample kit to ensure perfection. Die cutting, gluing, scoring, and perforation are our default processes. Expect your order in 8 to 10 business days, with rush options available. Order your custom cosmetic boxes today.